Lesson 12, reading practice number 7. Dear Ethel, early this week, while Mary and I were shopping on Park Avenue, I bought a set of records for your children, period. I am sending them by parcel post to your West Street office in Flint. Double quotation. Do not open before Christmas, period, close quotation. They should arrive well before Christmas, period. Please drop me a note when they reach you, paragraph. Mary and I had hoped that we could spend Christmas with you and the children, but I have had word from our Atlanta plant that they are having labor problems, period. Therefore, we canceled our plans, period. If we can arrange it, we will visit you after I get back from Atlanta, paragraph. Have a Merry Christmas! Exclamation mark. Sincerely yours. Reading practice number 8. Dear National Card Holder, we are highly gratified that since 1975, we have been able to increase the benefits offered to national card holders, but there has been no increase in our fee, period. The pressures of inflation, though, make it necessary for National to raise its fee from $15 to $20, an increase of 33 1/3%, period. The $20 fee will be in effect in July, paragraph. While we are increasing our fee, we are happy to be able to tell you that we are adding 5 new services to the large list of those that we have been offering since 1978, period. The attached pamphlet lists them on page 18 and page 19, paragraph. We sincerely hope that it will not be necessary to increase our fee again, period. Yours very truly.